Welcome once again. Let's talk about Opendao Sos 10,000% loading faster. I'm happy to see this coin after a long period is doing well. Now today over 22% increase in price with top exchange warming up to also lead this coin. But have it in mind that over 15 to 18 exchanges have already listed. Top exchanges. Okay, if I want to mention them, X.com, Elephant Hot, top exchanges. Now very soon we'll be hearing more that crypto.com and get.io are warming up to list Opendao. Of course, they deserve to be listed by top exchanges like Coinbase, like Binance, because all the way from about they were ranked over 3,000 and now they are ranked below below 800. So you see, gradually they are increasing, gradually they are growing, gradually they are doing well, and I'm happy today they're actually gaining. Okay, they are getting a lot. In the past 7 days they are hitting almost 100 to 250% increase in price. And one important thing to understand about this coin is that this is just the beginning, because by the time people get to know more about this coin, definitely a lot of people will rush to buy. It's a kind of coin that, putting a little money will give you thousands or millions of Opendao Sos. So 10,000% yes, deleting 20 is possible, even though the coin have a lot of zeros. And I still believe with the project they have at hand, because actually the developer actually said they want to focus on burning, on destroying this the circulating supply they have. They want to reduce the supply they have by burning huge amount of Opendao Sos tokens. So, and that definitely will help this coin to really grow fast. If they can burn a lot of coins, it will push this coin more further. I can see this coin soon it will be ranked among the top 500 crypto coins with the highest market cap, and even keep pushing its way to the top 200 or top 100. This coin is one of the coins that I can tell you they have good project and they are already doing well at the time of recording this. But please, you want to buy, you want to invest what you can afford to lose. So we are expecting crypto.com, we are expecting get.io, even Binance and Coinbase in the nearest future to list and partner with Sos. Sos still remain one of the top crypto coin. I'm not talking about small cap coin. So I'm happy to see that the developers are planning to make sure they keep burning this coin, to make sure they burn a lot of coins of Sos. Yes, that is one of the major plans for this year, to destroy huge circulation, to destroy huge amount of these coins. So if they can achieve that burning, if they can achieve that, it is definitely going to help Sos to really gain a lot of attention, to gain from wealth from other crypto billionaires. And I'm happy to see this coin right now is doing well. Let's hope that before the end of this year, they will definitely achieve their roadmap, they definitely achieve their plans, their goals for this year 2023. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.